Marty is in Plaistow. Marty, good evening.
Hello.
What's your question?
Hello, Daniel. Thank you for taking my call. I was on furlough last year. I was there, zero contract. I've worked for the company for 15 years, 10 years as permanent, 5 years as zero contract. I have another job. But last year I was furloughed, thank God, but only until... It was supposed to be till October. Well, I thought so anyway, and then it was extended. I didn't anyway. But I wasn't paid on the last date on October. But they did send me a salary slip with everything on it, and the amount I would have been paid. But nothing went into my bank account. I rang them, and they said, "Oh, well, if we gave you a wage slip, like a normal wage slip, which it was, and you weren't paid, I must pay you then." And I didn't, and I haven't rang him since, and I haven't been able to ring you because I work a lot long days on Saturdays. So, yes, by law, do they have to pay me? Sorry, am I talking to someone?
Well, I'm just trying to think of a simple way to answer, Marty. The short answer is yes. I mean, if you were furloughed and you were expecting to be paid 80% of your salary under furlough and you hadn't been dismissed and you've received a pay slip, yes, absolutely, you should be paid that salary. Now, do you know the date in October that your salary should have been paid?
The 31st.
31st of October?
Yes.
Okay. I'm afraid you're going to be too late to bring a claim in the employment tribunal because you
I was wondering about that.
You would have had to have lodged your application, your claim with ACAS within 3 months less a day, which is the 30th of January, which actually is today. You might actually have time if you go right now to acas.org.uk and go for ACAS Early Conciliation. You've just about got 2.25 hours to get your claim started. But it's not the end of the world if you don't get it done, because you can bring a claim for that month's salary in the small claims court as well, and you have 6 years to bring a claim for unpaid salary in the small claims court. The employment tribunal procedure is easier, but they're both pretty easy, frankly.
Oh, that's brilliant. Yes, I was thinking of the time frame. I thought, oh, God, ring him now.
Well, I have to say, you've run it pretty close to the wire with 2 hours and 15 minutes to go. But you could do it, Marty, acas.org.uk. Thank you for the call. You're listening to the LBC Legal Hour. I'm Daniel Barnett, and it's 9:45.